What is up, guys? This is Topi, and today I decided to test out this new, well, not new app, but it's an older app. The sun's that way, so I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, it's an older app, but I decided to test it out today anyways, because it's like a lot of changes that happened to it, and that app is Sweatcoin. If you already had Sweatcoin, you know what it is, but if not, then basically you walk to get coins, and you can use coins to cash out, not necessarily money, like you can cash out PayPal, but I'm pretty sure that's just with invites at this moment. But you can cash out prizes and get discounts on products. So that's what I'm going to do today. If you want to use my referral code to sign up, it will give you 5 free sweat coins and me 5 free sweat coins at the sign up. So I'm going to put that in the description, and you can use that to sign up. I would appreciate that a lot, honestly. So I'm gonna put in like the display up here of what the app looks like. The sweat coins cash out like every 2,000 steps, and I think 1,000 steps is 1 sweat coin. You can upgrade to get more sweat coins every day, not using cash, so it's not in-app purchases, but using the sweat coins in itself. So it's basically 100% all free. And I'm gonna walk around here, and I'm gonna walk a little bit to get a couple B-rolls. I'm gonna talk about these people in front of me, so that's weird. So I'm gonna wait for them to leave to do it. Alright, so we're currently over at this dam. I don't know how we could hear me because the water is pretty loud. You can see it in the background there. It's beautiful scenery, guys. But the bad part about this place is it does smell polluted. And honestly, I hate going in like beautiful places and just like having to deal with the awful smell of pollution and like polluted water and just like the dirty environment in general. But Sweatcoin also, it counters steps, which is good. Basically, it benefits both, okay? Well, it benefits in 2 ways, actually. It's going to benefit you and Sweatcoin. But, 1. You get to burn some calories. You get to go out and you can go and visit new places. You can see new things. And at the same time, you're getting paid for it, or you're getting discounts on products, or you're getting prices, and it's like a fantastic concept. Yeah, if you have a Fitbit app to like count your steps, or like a step counter, you might as well delete that and download Sweatcoin. That way, you get to get 2 things at once. You get a step counter. Kind of like a personal trainer, but just for walking and running. If you run regularly outside, then this is good for you. It's based on like your step count and your location, so you gotta be moving to use that coin. So you can't just like walk around inside. You gotta be outside. But I think that's like one of the best parts, man. You get to go outside and see new things. You can go places that you've never been before, and at the same time you get paid for it. And if that's not like a win-win, then I don't know what is. You can even get your friends to do it, and you could go out and walk with your friends together. I'll put up on the screen how to upgrade the shaker and like upgrade the new levels. And yeah, once again, it's 4.75 sweat coins a month to upgrade to shaker, which is level 2. And with shaker, you can make 10 sweat coins a day. So 4.75 sweat coins a month should be honestly nothing to you. As long, like you can make 1 sweat coin a day, and it goes for 30 days, so you can make 30 sweat coins a month, and you can still afford level 2. And there's other levels after that cost a little more. It still just costs sweat coins, no in-app purchases. And I think that's it for now. I'm gonna take some B-rolls, and then I'm gonna get out of here and show you what I got when we get home.
Yo, why you gotta break my heart, baby? 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 Yo, why you gotta break my heart, baby? 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 Why you gotta gotta.
So yeah, as you can see by the B-rolls, honestly, it's a nice place. And Sweatcoin is what brought me to this place, which I really thank them for, because a lot of this, I didn't know it was back here. I mentioned this like a while ago, but the best way to earn Sweatcoins on this app is to have the app on the background. Once you start it up once, the app's always going to be on the background unless you force stop it. But I'll just keep it in the background because then it tracks every single step that you take. And it doesn't really use that much battery. So, like I started walking with 32%, and I got home. Well, I'm here right now at 25%. I'm almost home. I was on my phone quite a bit too, so yeah. Okay, so I just now arrived back at home, and it turns out it took about 6,000 steps, and I got 5.8 Sweatcoins from it. If you look up here, that's like my total Sweatcoins now. I think it's like 17, 18. And over here, I showed you like what all you can get. And if you have extra steps, like Visa Auto sends at 2,000. If you have extra steps, like less than 2,000, and you know that's not gonna go anywhere for the rest of the day, you could force send it, which is show you how to do it right now. And it doesn't really count all of them, because like some of them it's like, oh, you weren't really going nowhere, like you're just kind of staying in the same spot. So if you're like walking around in one area that's not big enough for Sweatcoin to pick it up, it's not gonna count it. But it doesn't really do that too often. So yeah, you guys go ahead and use my referral code to sign up, and then I will do a video on the PayPal $6 invite things for 6 invites if we get there, and I'll show you if that works. But so far, I'll say this app is legit. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this like new app review. I don't really do these, but I will see you all on Toby Island, and do not forget to stay awesome. Peace.
Tell you the reason for this. Summer is coming, I'm facing temptation. Maybe I'm selfish and think with my dick. Remember